The birth of digital spreadsheets.
In the late 1970s, the first digital spreadsheets were created to break free from tedious paper-based calculations. VisiCalc, released in 1979, was a groundbreaking tool for early personal computers. It allowed users to perform instant financial modeling, paving the way for a new era in business and data management.
Lotus 123, setting the standard.
Lotus 123, launched in 1983, quickly became the dominant force in spreadsheets. It seamlessly combined calculations, charting, and database features, making it an essential tool for professionals. Lotus 123's speed and powerful capabilities helped IBM PCs gain traction in corporate environments across the world.
New competition, Microsoft enters the scene.
In the mid-1980s, Microsoft recognized the growing importance of spreadsheets and released Multiplan, followed by Microsoft Excel in 1985. Initially designed for the Apple Macintosh, Excel stood out for its user-friendly graphical interface and intuitive mouse controls, creating competition that would eventually reshape the market.
The rise of Microsoft Excel.
Microsoft Excel found early success due to its innovative features and adaptability. When Excel was released for Windows in 1987, it took full advantage of graphical environments and rapidly advanced. Improvements such as integrated charts, advanced formulas, and later, macro functionality attracted a diverse range of users.
A new era of data analysis.
By the 1990s and beyond, Excel had overtaken Lotus 123, becoming the industry standard for spreadsheets. Its flexibility, ongoing updates, and compatibility with other Microsoft Office products made it indispensable in business, education, and research. The evolution from Lotus 123 to Excel shaped the way the world organizes and analyzes data.